set up for today. So we had a pretty solid bear bar yesterday. Not really. I think we're kind of still battling with this area, this level here. I think this is definitely your line in the sand right now, and that is 27,090. So that being said, trend is still up. There is my trend line. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us tag the bottom of the trend line. There are a few levels here which we need to pay attention to, and this one right here, which is around 26,340, is something to look out for. So we could be forming a bigger range here. So I think that's pretty clear to see. If I just move this up here, we could be forming a bigger range here and just muck around in this range until we get to the side of the trend line, and then it'll be decision time. Are we going to bounce the upside, or are we going to break down? So for me at the moment, the trend is definitely up. I'm looking for opportunities to buy. We're in an area which does offer some opportunities for me, but we'll wait and see what transpires during the European session. So right now in the Asian session, we are breaking below these pin bars that were formed at the close. I'm not really worried too much about that just yet. I think there's enough potential support here, and I think the one that you should be watching is this inside bar here, or inside tail. That's probably what the target is right now during the Asian session. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what transpires. I think this sell-off was basically based on the tech stocks that were selling off for some reason. But for me, trend is still up. I'm looking for opportunities to buy, and we're going to be wait patiently to see those levels. I'm not entirely convinced that this will be the area. I think we'll probably break through that and find some level further down. And you can see, if I just look to the left, you can see there's so many opportunities or tails to the left here, which are going to indicate opportunities where you can buy into. So yeah, for me, it's about being patient right now and waiting for price to get to a level and then start giving me the signals that I'm looking for to indicate that it's a buying opportunity. Okay, so nothing really more to be said anyway. More than likely going to be sitting on the sidelines just watching this for the moment until I'm comfortable that we're at a level that the bulls are trying to come in off. And it is going to happen. I don't see this thing falling at the moment. I think this is just really a healthy pullback right now, allowing people to get in and offer some value. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.